Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be exploring the Blizzardous horrors of Minecraft, and this mod pack has new trees, new mobs, new creatures, new cool horrors to experience, just even new weapons. It's gonna be hello. Okay, my mic is working. Let's go. That's not good. Okay, let's go. So, this is a Blizzard horror mod. So, it's actually a mod pack created by me. I'll link it down into the description. If you guys are watching the stream right now, it'd be great if you were. Anyways. Okay. Hello, little one. So yeah, those are one of the creatures. Actually, those guys are pretty cool. But yeah, the Bedrock Minecraft. So pretty much it's Minecraft horror mod. But it's actually unique because it's a silly version of it. Anyways, I'm yapping a lot. Currently, I'm just trying to find this is stupid. Which I cannot find. Wow. This village sucks. Will I survive that? Sure. Ow. There's a cap. That was weird. Hey, a bed. What? I gotta make a campfire. Okay. Wow, that was quick. Instantly found cool. This is definitely new because I'm you need for a campfire. 3 sticks, 3 logs. Oh my god. I wish I could go to sleep right now. Is this copyright? Is this copyright free? Can you go? Hello? Is it gone? Oh no, it is definitely not gone. Oh, now it is. That was horrifying. I don't want ever to... Got it. I won't. Thank you. I really appreciate that, pal. Really appreciate that. Like, actually, I'm so happy you told me to do that. Did my game really just crash? It did. Okay. I've slowness. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's on the roof. They're not even crossing me. Whoa. Crossford? That's interesting. What does wood look like? Wow. That is some cool wood. Oh, yeah. This tree, it looks cool. But, stop. Oh my god. Bro. Are you just gonna stand there? Please, I don't want to do this. Well, I saw that. Why? You're pretty scary. Why is there multiple? They can climb? Go. Let me see my record. That does nothing. What? 20 VP. Can I sue you? Can I sue you to oblivion? Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna grab my wood, and you're not gonna do anything to it. Oh, yeah, these guys are friendly. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure they just pretty slow. But... Oh! Go away. Okay, so that guy's gone. So you don't attack me, right? Okay, yeah, that guy's friendly. He's cute too. But the ticks, those guys are called winter ticks. The legged? No! No, 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 no. Where's my house? My house is gone. Let's... Hi. I hear you out there. Oh! Here's why I just got scared by a tick. Okay. I can make my campfire. I cannot make my campfire. I can make my campfire. No, I can make my campfire. Let's go. I can sleep. Oh my. Dude, it's... I don't know what you expect from me. Oh, so what is this? What is this part of the afternoon? Please, bro. It is freezing here? Yeah, what else am I supposed to do, buddy? Let me sleep. Oh my god. I have a campfire. Right. And go for pants. I just burned myself. Oh my. Wasting my bullets on these bugs. I didn't want to do that, but I had to. I hate this game so much. Yes, getting an upgrade. Getting an upgrade, indeed. Okay, I'm definitely gonna grab all this coal where I can get some torches and stuff, because, I don't want to be missing out on some torches. I like my torches. What? Wait. Is this pickable? Pickable. Oh my god. Oh, it's frozen. It's like actually frozen. I don't know if you guys can tell that I slid, but I slid. Wait. The legged is still there, winter tick. What am I looking at? Okay, I kinda wanna go see what some of these things are. Sounds stupid, but yeah, too bad. Yeah, good stuff. I'm gonna see what the... Oh, I don't know. Oh, I know what to see. Oh my god. What is that thing? What is that thing? What is that? Hello? 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 Is that an igloo? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? It is... Why? Oh my gosh, why? Why? No, like actually, why? Okay, now we're talking. We are talking indeed. I'm gonna get this bed for a person who's gonna be joining us soon. I'm gonna take this. You know what? I don't even care. That's amazing. That is amazing. Wait. What? Okay, at Carol, that I need a jukebox, which costs a diamond, but I'll take it. That is so cool. I wish I could keep the sled, but I mean, I'll still take it. 13 ginger. How do you even make a sled? Snow pig. I do need to get a snow. I need to get food actually. I'm starting to freeze. Which is bad, I'd assume. Just assuming. Also, I added like a bunch of stuff, if you couldn't tell already. Like weapon-wise. Oh no, that... Did you drop? No, you didn't. Oh, right. I forgot that you can snowfish, which is really great, honestly. So, this is frozen pork chop, which I'm guessing you can only get from snow pigs. This is powdered snow. Actually, yeah, that works. So, I'm guessing the only way you can really get pork chops, like normal pork chops, is from normal pigs, which do spawn, but they hardly spawn, especially because it's a snow biome, like, everywhere. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh. Iron! man. Wait, is there more around it? No. That's sad. I've been cool, okay. Should I get more cool? I feel like I should, but I also feel like I shouldn't. That's something. That is definitely something. Also, I'm realizing that I am freezing. What do you have in store for me? A cauldron? Is that all? I'm starting to freeze like a lot. Why didn't I make a shovel? Am I stuck? I'm not stuck. Ow. One of my hearts are completely frozen. I'm so used to playing games that you see to look behind you. No, it's F5 twice. Bro, I look so ugly in this fit. My eyes are covered. Completely. I'm being hunted again. What is with me getting hunted? I'm pretty sure they have a personal grudge against me at this point. That's one big ice spike. Dude, I remember in like 2021 making like trying to make bases out of the ice ice spikes. Are they called ice spikes? It's just a weird name. But I'm gonna go kill some goats, whether you like it or not. So I need their fur, because this is literally made out of goat fur. Actually, do you need shears? You do not need shears. Let's go. Can I stop freezing? Oh my god. 1.5 heart has started. Is that lava? That complete. Wait. I can make my base here. I think. Can I? Wait, no, this is perfect. Oh my god. I had an iron axe and I had the oak sled. I think, just a little bit, I think I'm cooking with, oh yeah, I forgot about that. But, is that binary? Pretty sure that's binary. Okay, I need to get perfectly in between. Okay, that's 2. Say about here. Not too much, not too little. No, it's literally perfect. What? Okay. A shovel. Okay, this shouldn't be too bad. It won't let me make me do this, right? This will make me. This will not. This will make me just a little bit cold. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is actually so good, So good. I think I need that for one of the... Okay. You guys don't have to see. But I added crafting blueprint. Painting and crafting table. That's interesting. A sewing table. That's also pretty interesting. Uh, a flint knife. Okay. So that's craftable with flint and a stick. Okay. Oh, and there's literally a trash can right here. Pretty much. Yeah, I'm cooking. I'm literally cooking with this base setup thing. I need a chest, and guess what I need to do? Can I sleep? Yes! Can the boy in the bath stop spawning? Why? No amount of... Oh my god, bro. Can I at least... I can. So annoying, bro. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to add that dude back. So, can this make, like... Okay. Okay, yeah. I was expecting it. Yeah, okay. So that's not too bad. That is not too bad at all. So, is it not? It's still my turn. It is still my turn. Okay, well, you guys can go in there, because you guys are wrong.
God, I love people.
The man behind the slaughter. I hear him, bro. Please don't break my base. I really like it here. I find it pretty nice. I really like it here, man. So this is perfectly in between. Quite literally perfectly in between. Okay. No, 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 no. Stop, please, no. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. So, actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna like record this for an hour or so, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour. I don't know. So why is this beast wanted? And why is it here?
And why do I have a poster of it? Is it like... I don't know. It's supposed to be... Okay. See, the haunted thing keeps restarting. I'm just gonna stay right here until it's gone. I'm back. I'm back. Bro, this music's so peak. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I mean... Okay, yeah, you guys can hear it. Holy music timing! Holy music timing! Oh my. No. It's here. Hold up. I'm gonna go in spectator to show you guys this thing. Where is it? Did it despawn the minute I was gonna... Wait. I think it despawned when I wanted to show you guys it. Actually... Okay, we're going back up. But it's really cool. And terrifying, of course. But, what? Yeah, okay, we're going back to our base, my base. Okay, I'm hoping that's not too much of a cheat for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys it. Because I think it's pretty cool. It's moving right now. How is it still night? Is it like eternally night? Also, where are we making an exit? Because I'm not making it right here. I see it right here. Hello, sir. What? You think? No, you think? Oh my god, I would have never noticed. Is he gone? Is he gone? Is he gone? Is he gone? No, he's not. Why? Can you go away? Maybe, I think. Okay, anyways, I wanted to go outside anyway, so. For dirt. Yes. Okay, like literally, I needed dirt. Not needed, but wanted. Why is a snow pig? Why are snow pigs disappearing? Do you guys know that you can play the game standing still? Well, not play the game, but, like survive every single night on Minecraft, like just by standing still forever, because you never lose hunger bars. And if you spawn on a tree, a tall one obviously, then mobs can't get to you. So yeah, so if you spawn on a tree in survival mode and just stand there forever, you'll survive. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Not pretty cool, but like interesting. Whoa! Can these snowflakes go away? Wow. Hello, snow pig. Bye, snow pig. Ooh, you dropped more than usual. Let's go. I will gladly accept 3. Also, I think it's time to. Oh, too bright, too bright. Definitely too bright. This matches perfectly. I just dropped myself. Doesn't this play like during chapter 2 when fighting the queen? I need to fix something real quick. Okay, it's fixed. I don't know why I'm heading perfectly straightforward, but yeah. Do I have a chest? Oh, I haven't used my chest. I missed my chest. Just when I had one. Being hunted again. Whoa! That is a pretty big iceberg. For some reason I want to make a base in it, but it wouldn't work. Fire hardware? What? What? I just got 16 iron out of nowhere. Yo! I will gladly take that. I'm happy I had a non-full inventory. But where did that even come from? Oh, I just reloaded my suit actually. But yo, 16 iron is crazy. Just chat logs, by the way. And not, yeah, you know. It is getting heavily Blizzardous. Oh, yo, I'll gladly take this. I love how this wood looks. Okay, this is enough because I think I'm way too lazy to learn all of that. Anything interesting in there? Ooh, there's titanium. That's one. Oh wait, it's not a cave then. Thanks. Do not want to deal with the coloring mixer. Can I have that titanium? Is this titanium? Oh, it's nickel. That's cool, I guess. I mean, I don't know what I would use it for, but it's cool. I knew it was gonna be that. That's exactly why I did it. Oh wait. So let me out. Whoa! Is it actually generated? I think it is. Like, would it spawn in like a normal Minecraft form? Like if it was the same seed? Like vanilla Minecraft, like completely vanilla Minecraft. Hey, a village! Oh my god. Oh, my game crashed. I guess that's the end of the stream and video. See ya.